Hi, so welcome once again to today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can build a solid investment website that is going to allow customers to be able to invest, whether in Bitcoin, in Forex, or even cash investment. Any kind of investment website that you want to build, we are going to use this tutorial to actually build that kind of website. So, like we always do, we are going to build this website on top of Max AI, which has WordPress installed. But with this tutorial, we are not going to use WordPress. So I'm going to click on Manage, okay, and then we will build the website on Max AI, but in a sub folder. Okay, so when we come to Max AI's hosting panel, if you are new to hosting and domains, the domain is the name of the website. This one, the hosting is the server that the site is going to sit on. So if you are new, quickly head on to hostinga.com or look in the description. You will get our WhatsApp contact to join our platform and then ask the necessary questions as to the best hosting you need for the project you are coming to do. At the same time, we will do our best to give you a coupon code that will allow you to get a discount for the hosting that you will buy. But we highly recommend that you make use of Hostinga with any project that you'll be doing whilst you follow this particular video, because Hostinga has all the technical requirements that the source code I'm going to give you requires. Okay, so this is Hostinga. You can choose any of their plans, but make sure you hit the WhatsApp link in the description to talk to us to be able to decide on which plan exactly you want to go for, and we'll help you with the coupon code as well. Okay, so this is my plan. That is a cloud professional, as you can see over here. So the first step is to go to our file manager. Okay, so I have this project done already. It's a complete project. So I'm giving you the source code of the whole project with the database and everything. All you have to do is follow the tutorial that I've given you here and then upload this particular file and then a database onto your server, and you can run it completely without having to go and start from scratch. Same way, I will also include all of the source files, okay, all the script that were used to complete this project as well. So I'll put a whole zip file that contains the source codes, at the same time the script that came together to produce the magic. Okay, so quickly let's go to my file manager. And then inside my file manager, I'm going to close this one. I'm going to now look at the folder where I want to build a website. So maxai.com is a domain that I want to use to build a website. But if you look at maxai.com, it is blank. All right. But I'm actually going to build a website on maxai.com forward slash something, maybe forward slash invest or forward slash invest or anything like that. Okay. So my file manager has opened, and this is my public underscore HTML. If you want to build this website on the main public underscore HTML folder here, it means your site will run straight with this domain. But if you don't want to run it on your main domain like this, and you want to do maybe slash something, it means you need to create a folder, maybe a slash mflix, invest, and all that. You have to create a folder here under the underscore HTML folder. So I have actually created a folder called minvest. Okay, this is the folder, it's empty. So I'm going to bring all the source code inside here. Then I'll add my database, connect the two of them, then I'll be good to go. Okay, so I'll quickly go to upload. All right, and then I'll just even cancel this. I'll come to my file manager here. All right, that is minvest. This is the whole zip file that I'll be given in the description. And this is the file we need to upload, minvest. So I'll drag this file here. Okay, and then it's uploading. It has started uploading, as you can see from here. So I'll wait for this to finish uploading. It will take just 4 minutes, and then I come back to my database. So I need to create a database that I will match with the files to have a complete website. So here I'll look through. I see databases here. All right, so I'll click on databases. Okay, when I'm done with that, I have to create a new database. I will name it M Investment. Okay, copy the same name, Control V, paste it here. Password, I'll hit on this, generate a password, copy the password because I'll be needing the password. Okay, then create a database. This database has been created. Okay, so I'm expecting it. Okay, it's here. That is it. So now, database created, I have to hit on enter admin to import the database, okay, into the new database I've created. Whilst this one is also what? Uploading. All right. So let me go to my database, which is opening the PHP my admin for me. And once the portal opens, I'm just going to drag this database file here, which is the investment file, into my database and import it. Okay, so it's ready. I just go to import. Okay, come to my file here. You will be getting all these files in the description. Everything, the database, the installation file for the script and everything in the description of this particular video. Okay, so let me hit on this SQL file, upload it. All right, it's uploading. So once it is done, it will show success here. Excellent, success. So it has been uploaded. My database is complete. So this is my database. It's complete. You can see the admin here. The admins are here. You can see a whole lot of other things. Okay, so that is it. The admins are there. And all the other things that you want to see, okay, in the database is complete. All right. So the next thing is to go and check on my files to be sure if my files have successfully uploaded. Okay, so it's uploading. All right, it's uploading right now. I have just 2 minutes more to get the files uploaded successfully. All right, so now my files have been uploaded successfully. So I'm going to extract this file, create a folder called Hey, okay, just a temporary folder, extract everything into it. Okay, then I move all the files inside Hey, these 4 files, I move all of them, Control A to highlight everything, move, and then look for the folder where I want to move it, Invest. Okay, if you want to use your main server, your main domain, make sure you put it in this folder. But because it's my sub address, I'm going to use this one, Invest. Okay, so move. Everything has been moved successfully to Invest. The last stage, then we have our site working, is to connect these files to this database. So we go here into core, we look for the environment file. This is the file. Okay, then we open it. Okay, that's a .env. So there are lots of things there. We have to change database name, database username, database password. Normally, you don't have to worry about the app URL, but you can update it with your current domain name URL. Okay, and then that is it. Your time zone. You can do all of this in the admin section anyway, but the database are the most important thing. Okay, the local host remains the same for everybody. Okay, so on the database side, I have to copy my database name, this one, take it to the environment file, and go and upload. I paste it there. That's the database, correct? Then the username, I have to copy my database username like this, take it here, and then update it as well. Okay, once that is done, the password. So here I'll generate a new password by clicking here for the database. So change password, click here, generate, then copy this password, cut it so that I'm sure I didn't make any mistake. All right, then I can paste it again to update to be sure it's the same password. Okay, then once it's done updating, I come back and then paste it here. Make sure you leave no spaces, no symbols whatsoever. These things are very sensitive. Okay, then you just save this file. That is a .env file. So once we've saved the .env file, our site should be working now, if I'm not mistaken. So we are going to go straight to the site, maxai.com slash, let me see the folder name, minvest. Okay, minvest. Okay, so we can do minvest. All right. So perfect. This is how our website actually looks like. Okay, so we have the installation done. As you can see, maxai.com forward slash minvest. So this is how, after uploading the whole thing, this is how we have our website. All right. So we even have the profit calculator for people to be able to calculate their profit based on the plan they are signing up for. Okay, and then if you come down, there are other things. So create an account, choose a plan, get your profit, and a whole lot of other things. Okay, so this front page, there are a lot of designs you can choose from in the admin dashboard, which I'll be taking you through very soon. You can change everything that is on the front page from the admin side. Okay, so that is how the footer looks like. I created this simple logo here with Canva, so you can do the same thing for your client. All right, so let's create an account as a customer and then see. So you can change this picture here and put a picture that is bigger, a bit more bigger. Okay, so I'll teach you how to do that in the admin side once we get to the admin side. Okay, so I want to create an account. So we will say new user. Okay, new and then user. Username. Okay, new user. Phone number 0000. Email new user at gmail.com. All right. Password. I'll just do 123456. 123456, and then agree to privacy policy and register. So username is new user. Okay, 123456. All right. Phone number has already been taken. Okay, so let me just change the phone number. All right. So the password 123456. 123456. All right. So as you can see, this is 100% working investment website, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, solid dashboard. You can use this for crypto investment, for forex investment. Okay, so clients can see their investment, see the investment plans. Clients can be able to make deposits, go to the deposit and deposit money based on the payment method you have. It can be crypto, it can be different, as you can see, different payment method. You can even use Flutterwave for Momo. Okay, and bank payments, direct bank payment, they can transfer. You can collect PayPal, Stripe, and coin payments, that is cryptocurrencies and all that. Okay, Ethereum, every currency, perfect money, all these are already integrated. Okay, withdrawal, you can also allow clients to make withdrawal, choose withdrawal methods that they want to use. It may be manual methods and all of that. Okay, enter the amount they want to withdraw, add a fee for the withdrawal fees, and all of that, and then they can withdraw with your instructions over here. Okay, so all that you can, client can even transfer money from their account to a different account through their email addresses. Okay, they will see their interest they are getting on their investments, their profit, and they can even refer people with their referral link as well. So if you come here, you see the referral link is here. They can copy it and then actually use this link to refer customers and a lot of other things they can do on their account. Now, if we look here, we will see the admin panel, all right? And on the admin panel, you'll realize that here on the admin panel, you can actually add people to the site, set up the cron job. This is very important, okay? So depending on the hosting company that you are using, you will know how to set up cron job. But if you're using Hostinger, all right, all you have to do is get this particular link here. Okay, the cron job is what allows the investment and all the things that are using time to be able to run properly. Okay, so I'll be copying the link and then I'll be going to Hostinger to show you how to set it up. All right. So when we come down here, the plans, here we can create the various investment plan. Okay, yearly plan, monthly plan, big plan, executive plan, all the plan you want to create, how much money they will make every month, daily basis. So the name of the plan, okay, amount, whether it is fixed interest or investment amount is fixed. Okay, the interest rate in percentage, 1%, 2%. Okay, how many times they can invest. Okay, how many times they will get the profit every day, every week. All these things you can set it yourself. Okay, manage your users. Complaints from customers will come here. Referrals, customers will make. Okay, payouts and payment methods and gateway settings. Email manager. Email manager allow you to set up the email so that customers will get alerts in their email as well. The general settings, this is where we can come and change the logo, the login images, the pictures, and all of that. So there are a lot of things you can actually play with over here. The languages, you can add multiple languages. So Here you can see just three languages, but you can actually come to manage language and then add any new language you want to add. Okay, just create language, okay, and then add a language. All right, and then there are a lot of other things you can actually explore. The theme, you can actually change the theme anyhow. So the design, if you don't like this current design, okay, you can change it and it will change the whole dashboard of the customers and everything else. All these dashboard will change. So there are different themes for you to try in terms of the design. Okay, so if you have multiple customers, you can use different themes for them. Okay, and then a few things. The front page, if you want to change maybe something about the plan and all the information on the front page. So for example, if I go here and I log out, all right, I click log out and I'm out. All right, this is the login interface. So let me come to the main front page. Okay, so this is the main front page. Okay, this is the main front page. So if I want to change maybe discovering hypes for financial growth, all I have to go is go into the admin side, okay, and then look at the front page. All right, we have the banner section, about section, feature section, and see the particular section that has, okay, that particular thing I want to change. So for example, discovering hypes for financial growth, I can just change it to anything. Welcome to our crypto investment, or maybe welcome to M Investments. Okay, that's the name of our platform. I just choose any image, okay, that I want to use to replace the image that is in the background. Maybe I'm not doing crypto, I'm doing Forex. Okay, I can just choose any image at all that will make my site look good for me. Okay, so I can just go here. Let me, for example, choose any Forex, okay, Forex image background, okay, or wallpaper, so I can get bigger images. I go to images, then look for any image at all that I think will fit. Okay, so any image, maybe this one, or possibly this one. Yes, this one looks nicer. Okay, and then let me save this particular picture here. It is saved. When I come to the admin side, I can choose this image, but it has to be an image that looks like the one that is there. This is just for an example. Okay, you can add a description. Lorem, this is just a sample. You can add it. Start investment now. The bottom link, register now. The bottom link you want to put in there, and then you just update. Okay, so once you update, it's going to take effect from the front page. So banner created successfully. This is a new image. So when I go here, it's definitely going to show me the new one, or it will show me the old page. If it shows me the, okay, so it has shown me the new one, as you can see. Okay, so I can just change my text to white to make it appear nicer. And as you can see, the new background has taken over. So this is how this particular system work. You can change all the things on the front page from the admin side. Like I said, because this text is black, it means your background has to have some white in it to make the design a bit nicer. So 20 million deposit total, you can change all of these things. And if you need customizations, if you want to customize this particular system and make it totally different, you can reach out in the description of the video. The WhatsApp number is there. You can join our WhatsApp platform and then ask for customization. We'll be able to help you with that. I'll be leaving the files, source code, everything for this particular solid investment system in the description as well. You can check it out and be able to set it up for yourself following this particular tutorial. All right. So you can see everything you want to change from the admin side. You see the total money people have invested, that's the total investment, total deposit, total withdrawal, those that are pending withdrawal, and everything you need to know. Okay, so if you are setting up the cron job, that's the last thing. All you have to do, come to advanced in your hosting panel here, okay, and you will see cron job somewhere here. That is cron job. Okay, so you can actually come here and then set up your cron job. So you choose custom, okay, custom like this, and then you paste the link for the cron job, and then you choose the common settings. So if it is supposed to run every hour, you can just choose every hour, okay, and then ignore the other ones, okay, choose minutes, maybe choose hour. You can just ignore all these ones and save it. So every 1 hour it will run, all right. If you want it to be every minute, you can make it every minute. If you want it to be every 2 minutes, you can choose every 2 minutes, then just save it. All right. So remember to just choose custom, paste the whole URL here, and then you're good to go with the cron job. Once the cron job is working, you will see that the investment automatic automatically will be adding the profit to the customer's account, and the customers will be able to see it and even receive alerts anytime that their investment are working. So basically that is it for this particular one. If you have any challenges, don't forget to reach out to the WhatsApp link in the description. Contact us and we will help you with anything you need to know to be able to set up your investment website successfully. I'll be making available all the files here, all the files that I use, the database, everything with this video to help you to set up your own investment website for your client and be able to charge them some good money for that. That will be all for today. I'll be leaving some videos on the screen for you to check out, and I'll see you in the next one.